Number 81, continuous flow and pressure demand types. Continuous flow and pressure demand types. So oxygen systems in an unpressurized aircraft are generally of the continuous flow and pressure demand types. Continuous flow and pressure demand types. Oxygen systems in unpressurized aircraft are continuous flow and pressure demand type. Number 82, regulate airflow in relation to the cabin altitude when in diluter demand position. Once again, regulate airflow in relation to cabin altitude and when diluter demand position. So the purpose of the airflow metering aneroid system found in oxygen diluter demand regulators to regulate the airflow in relation to cabin altitude when in diluter demand position. So the purpose of the airflow metering aneroid system found in oxygen diluter demand regulators is to regulate the airflow in relation to cabin altitude when in diluter demand position. Okay? Number 83, Department of Transportation, the DOT, Department of Transportation. So if a high pressure oxygen cylinder is to be installed on the airplane, it must meet the specifications of the Department of Transportation, the DOT. All right, Department of Transportation. Number 84, hydrostatically tested within the proper time intervals. Hydrostatically tested within the proper time intervals. Hydrostatically tested within the proper time intervals. So before a high pressure oxygen cylinder is serviced, it must be correct type and have been hydrostatically tested within the proper time intervals. So before high pressure oxygen cylinder is serviced, it must be correct type and have been hydrostatically tested within the proper time intervals. Number 85, oxygen. Oxygen. So a contaminated oxygen system is normally purged with oxygen. Oxygen. Contaminated oxygen system is purged with oxygen. Number 86. So read the pressure gauge mounted on the cylinder. You read the pressure gauge mounted on the cylinder. How should you determine the amount of oxygen in a portable high pressure cylinder? You read the pressure gauge mounted on the cylinder. Read the pressure gauge mounted on the cylinder. It'll tell you how much is in there. Number 87, Teflon tape. Teflon tape. What may be used as a lubricant on oxygen system tapered pipe thread connections? Teflon tape. Teflon tape may be used as a lubricant on oxygen system tapered pipe thread connections. Pipe thread connections may be lubricated by Teflon tape. Number 88. The green thermal expansion disc is missing. The green thermal expansion disc is missing. So on transport category aircraft, what might be an indication of an overpressure event of the aircraft oxygen system? That the green thermal expansion disc is missing. The green thermal expansion disc is missing. On transport category aircraft, that might be an indicator of overpressure event of the aircraft oxygen system. Is the green thermal expansion disc is missing. Green thermal expansion disc is missing. Number 89, so it's 2 and 3. So out of the following, the characteristics of a chemical or solid state oxygen system is a volume storage capacity of about 3 times that of compressed oxygen. And the system generators are inert below 400 degrees Fahrenheit, even under severe impact. So, which of the following are characteristics of a chemical or solid state oxygen system that the volume storage capacity of about 3 times that of compressed oxygen. And the system generators are inert below 400 degrees Fahrenheit, even under severe impact. So it's the second and third one. Second and third. If you see which of the following characteristics of a solid state oxygen system, just think 2 and 3. 2 and 3. All right? Guys, take a quiz, and I'll see you soon.